Using Esri's Business Analyst for site selection for senior living. Imagine that you're thinking about working on a senior living project in the Kansas City, Missouri area. Here you're interested in a couple of very specific variables. You want to create a map to determine where specific variables are met. When we go into browser criteria, you'll notice that there's many different options. You also have the option to create a custom variable. In this case, let's say that we're specifically interested in the number of adults over the age of 72. We're going to save this as a variable and be able to visualize this data. We're also interested in the medical spending. We want to be in a location where the medical spend on healthcare is above the national average. So we're going to choose index for healthcare spent. Right now we have two variables selected. If we wanted to add additional variables, we'd have the option to add them here. However, in this case, we're going to stick with our two variables, and we're going to view this information by zip codes. You can see here that 454 zip codes exist within this area. Now, to give a rough idea of where the concentration of people over the age of 72 is, we can filter these results to find out where spending is over 25% above the national average, as well as where there's a higher concentration of individuals over the age of 72. Here you can see that we've moved from 454 zip codes down to 8. The 8 zip codes that meet our criteria are all listed here. If we wanted to do additional research on those 8 zip codes, we could select the Select key from the toolbar in the top right-hand corner, highlight all of the areas that meet our criteria, or simply individually select all of the zip codes that we're interested in viewing. And you can either create a site for the combined areas, or you can select only geographies and compare them.